and then I'll push in and let off quickly. Right, like that. Hello and welcome back to Lock Lab 101. What we have today is a new improved Master Lock 175. And what we're going to work through today is how to overcome the improvements that Master Lock put on this lock. In the original Master Lock 175, you were able to take a wiser shim and slip it in between the dial and the base plate here, and then lift up on the locking bar. Well, Master Lock got wise to that, and that's no longer possible because the tolerance is really closed up in between the dial and the lock base body here, so where you really can't put a shim through there and access that locking bar. So the way we overcome that is with another shim like this here. And this here is nothing but a piece of feeler gauge that I cut. It's just a thin piece of metal, sprung steel. So now that we can no longer put a wider shim or a shim in between the dial and the lock base here in order to access the locking bar, this no longer works. So we have to come up with something like this. And all this is a handle that I printed on a 3D printer and a piece of feeler gauge that I cut in this shape here. How I approach this is I hold the lock with the numbers reading left to right, and then I'll put this hook right here on the number 3 dial, right on top of it, in between the lock cover and the base plate, right like that. I'll just slip it in there. I'll push it in and then push down and it pops open. Let me do that again. Let me do that at a different perspective so you can see it. I'll put this over the 3rd dial, put it in between the lock body, the outer casing, and the lock base. I'll put it in there till I feel a little bit of resistance. And then I'll push in and let off quickly. Right, like that. What happens is this is the locking bar inside the lock. This comes in and it just pushes it up, right like that. Okay, there you go. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you got something out of this. If you did, please like and subscribe. Please check out my other videos, and thank you very much.